Hello dear student, welcome to Rio classes. This is the day 12 of your consignment. Here we are going to solve the previous year question paper on consignment. So here is the question, and this question they've asked in the year 2017, May 2017. Alright, before starting the video, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Let's start. So guys, here is a question. Prepare the necessary account in the books of Akash from the following particulars. Here we have consigner Akash, consignee Arun. So goods consigned at invoice price. They said invoice price, my dear student. 6,75,000. How many fans? 4,500 units. Loading on the goods end is 20%. 20% is loading on the goods end. Consigners expenses, packing, forwarding charges, how much? 45,000. Goods lost in transit, that is abnormal loss. This is your abnormal loss, 450 units. Similarly, claims from insurance company, 48,500. Okay, we'll find out how much profit or loss. So guys, good on rent and selling expenses, 47,500. This is the consignees expenses, that is Arun's expenses. Goods sold by consignee is 7,50,000, that is 3,750. Commission to the consignee is 12%. So let's solve the consignment account in the books of consigner. Alright, let's start now. So now first we'll write down to goods sent on consignment. All right, goods sent on consignment. So my dear student, goods sent on consignment, just have a look. How much do they have sent? They have sent 6,75,000 worth of the goods. 6,75,000. 6,75,000. So remember, this is your invoice price. All right, next comes yes, this is the loading. You can find it right now or you can do it later. So consigners expenses, how much consigner expenses? 45,000 is the consigner expenses. Who is the consigner? Akash is the consigner. So whenever you are preparing the consignment account, in that consigner expenses should be cash or bank account. I'll write it here, bank account. You can say it non-recurring expenses. Okay, how much is that? Non-recurring expenses is 45,000. How much, my dear student? 45,000. All right, now they said third, okay, F adjustment is goods lost in transit. That means abnormal loss, my dear student. I'll find out, we need to find out the abnormal loss with the help of working note. So calculation of, this is your working note number 1. Okay, so how many units they have lost? Just have a look here. They have lost 450 units and we need to find out the rate. To find out the rate, we can use it. We need to find out the cost price and invoice price. So guys, just have a look here. Most important, units in cost price, remember, because always abnormal loss should be calculated on the cost price. What they given, just have a look. 20% on the invoice price, they said 20% on the invoice price, means they are given in the problem invoice price is 6,75,000. So guys, just have a look here. 6,75,000 for how many units? For how many units? 4,500 fans. 4,500 fans. That means invoice price at per piece. Just have a look. 6,75,000 divided by 4,500. It comes 150 at per piece. That is your invoice price. Now, my dear student, we need to find out cost price of this. So they given, right? They given what they given. Loading is how much? 20%. 20% on invoice price. So therefore, just have a look here. Invoice price is 150 minus loading. Directly you can take it 150 into 20%. That comes loading is 30. What is your cost price, my dear student? Cost price is 120. That is CP is your 120. All right. Now we'll find out the value of the abnormal loss. Okay. So always remember, whenever we prepare the abnormal loss account, calculation of abnormal loss account, we should take into cost price. So fans, 450 fans. All right. So 450 fans at the rate of 120. How much it is? 450 multiplied by 120 means it comes 54,000. 54,000. To this we are going to add non-recurring expenses. Non-recurring expenses. How much non-recurring expenses? Just have a look here. They paid 45,000. All right, for 4,500 fans. Very simple. 45,000. They paid how much? 45,000 for 4,500 fans. How much is for 450? I think it is 4,500. Right? Add this 59,500. So this is your abnormal loss. This is your abnormal loss. So abnormal loss, always we are going to enter on the credit side of the consignment account. You can make it when working note number 1, that is 59,000. How much, my dear student? 59,500. All right. Yeah. 59,500. One is done now. So we find the abnormal loss, guys. In the same time, please open abnormal loss account now, because okay, 2 consignment account. How much consignment account? You know that, right? Consignment account is 59,500. 59,500. How much you got it from insurance company? By bank account, or you can say insurance claim. How much insurance claim? 48,500 is the insurance claim. 48,500 insurance claim. Okay, we have done with this now. Okay, so this is done, insurance company. Next, come to the consignees expenses. Consignee, good on rent, matte selling expenses. How much? 47,500. Who is the consignee? Arun. All right, to Arun's account. Who is Arun here? Arun is consignee. How much expenses? You can say expenses. Assume that they are not specific to the question now. So good on rent and selling expenses is recurring. So 47,500 is the recurring expenses. 47,500. All right. Goods sold by consignee. So again, whenever there is a sale, we are going to make it credit. Arun's account. How much is sale? 7,50,000. All right. So this is also done. Next, commission to the consignee. Who is the consignee? Arun. Again, we should pay to the commission. How much commission, my dear student? Commission is 12%. Barcode pilot. 2. Arun's account. You can mention that commission. How much commission? 12% commission. So 7,50,000 into 12%. How much? Yeah, that comes 9,000. All right. So guys, almost done. But yes, we have to open consignee account here. Consignee is whom? Who is the consignee here? Arun is the consignee. Not on Arun's account. So very simple question, right? अगर आपने पुराने क्वेश्चंस नहीं देखे हैं तो प्लीज जस्ट गो एंड वॉच द वीडियो. क्या होता है कि I made around 11 to 12 videos on it. If you watch all this video, you will be perfect from all the way. Okay, just have a look here. We have credit, right? Make a debit to consignment account. Consignment account. How much consignment account? 7,50,000. 7,50,000. All right. In the same time, just have a look here. Credit, debit ಇದೆ credit ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. So 47,500. By consignment account. Very simple question. It was 47,500. Okay. In the same time, commission 9,000. Commission is how much? 9,000. By consignment account 9,000. So we have done with the consignment account now. Consignee account, sorry. So first you make a total of this consignee because the only account which is left is consignment account. We'll do it now. 7,50,000 minus it. Okay, I'm a small correction here. It is 90,000, my dear student, because it comes 90,000. In the same time, 90,000 means here also you should get it 90,000. So correct it. 7,50,000 minus 47,500 minus 90,000. 6,12,500. 6,12,500. Now we need to find out the closing stock and stock reserve. So first we'll take the two goods sent on consignment. So you can say loading. So my dear student, loading is 6,75,000 multiplied by 20%. The given, right? Look at that. 20% on invoice price. Very simple. 6,75,000 into 20%. That comes 1,35,000. Now we'll find out the closing stock. Value of the closing stock. Calculation of this is your working note number 2. Calculation of value of closing stock. So guys, tell me how many fans we have sent. Just have a look. We have sent around 4,500 fans. What is abnormal loss? 450. No problem. Send is 4,500 minus what, my dear student? Abnormal loss. That is 450. Okay. So minus 450 means it comes 4,050. Since we don't have any normal loss here, minus what? Minus sold. How much they have sold? Note they sold 3,750. 3,750. 3,750. That comes 300 is the stock. In the same time, very simple value. Value of closing stock. Just have a look. 300 at invoice price. Remember, you should take invoice price. What was the invoice price? Invoice price was 150. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಿಪ್ಪ ಇದು invoice price ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 300 into 150, that comes 45,000. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ what we are going to add non-recurring expenses. All right, non-recurring expenses. How much non-recurring expenses ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ? Non-recurring expenses 45,000 ಇದೆ. 45,000 for 4,500. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, 45,000 rupees ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4,500 ಗೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 300 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Very simple it is. Just have a look here. 45,000 they have spent for 4,500. How much is for 300? 45,000 for 4,500. How much is for 300? It comes 3,000. So closing stock is 48,000. My dear student, this is your value of closing stock. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, easy ಇದೆ. You can do that. All right, so I'll write it here. Buy stock on consignment. Account. How much? 48,000. All right, this you should take it. ತಗೋರಿ, 48,000 ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ. In the same time, my dear student, we should find out stock reserve. Stock reserve. Very simple. Stock reserve also we will take on this much. Don't take 45,000 ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 45,000 ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ 20%. Right? Very simple agide. 45,000. Don't take the expenses here. 45,000 for 20% because they given. It comes 9,000. So guys, this is the end of the problem. Now we'll find out the profit or loss. First you close the credit side, then debit side. It comes 9,92,500. You bring it here. 9,92,500 minus it. So net profit is 1,26,000. So here you can write it profit and loss. So hopefully you understood. You don't have any doubt, please notify ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ 2017 ಆಯಿತು, 18, 19. Once I finish that, that's it. All right. Chalo, bye-bye.